Are you unsure about your current website hosting plan? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've handpicked the top 5 hosting services just for you. Whether you prioritize excellent customer reviews, robust data security, 24/7 support, or ample storage, these hosting services offer unbeatable deals with discounts ranging from 20% to 50%. Let's jump in and find out which hosting service is perfect for you. Starting our list at number 5 is HostGator. Known for its affordability and flexibility, HostGator is a great option for both beginners and experienced webmasters. With unmetered bandwidth, a 45-day money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support, HostGator is a reliable choice without breaking the bank. Plus, their user-friendly website builder helps you get online quickly and easily. At number 4, we have A2 Hosting. If speed is a priority, A2 Hosting is the way to go. Their turbo servers provide up to 20 times faster performance, making them ideal for high-traffic sites and developers who need speed and dependability. With free site migrations, top-tier security, and round-the-clock support, A2 Hosting is all about maximizing performance. In the third spot, there's SiteGround. SiteGround is celebrated for its outstanding customer service and advanced security features. With a 99.99% uptime guarantee, daily backups, and seamless WordPress integration, SiteGround is perfect for small to medium-sized websites. If you need a host that balances reliable performance and great support, SiteGround is a great option. At number 2 is InMotion Hosting. Known for its feature-packed plans and excellent value, InMotion Hosting offers perks like free SSL certificates, unlimited email accounts, and fast storage options. Whether you're managing a business site or a professional blog, InMotion's strong performance and 90-day money-back guarantee make it a top choice. They also provide free site migrations, ensuring a smooth transition. Finally, taking the top spot for 2024 is Bluehost. Officially recommended by WordPress, Bluehost is the go-to hosting provider for both beginners and experts. With a free domain for the first year, one-click WordPress installation, and an intuitive control panel, Bluehost makes managing your website simple. Their affordable prices and outstanding customer service have made Bluehost the favorite choice for millions of users worldwide. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Best 5 Reviews, and ring the bell to stay updated on the best deals available. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!